Hey, hello all, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video, it's a unboxing video. Here you can see what I have purchased. Here is the MI web camera for Me TV. I have purchased this camera for Me TV, guys. Here is the MI TV camera. Okay, here is the small unboxing video regarding this. Okay, it's now time to open it up. Just open. Here you can see, here is the tiny box of Me TV web camera. Here you can see they are given easy to use. Place and adjust the camera bracket and then connect the camera using the provided USB cable. Okay, start using the camera. And they have given the camera features. Here you can see, here's the 1080p camera, full HD clarity, camera at 25 fps with a 720-degree field angle. And another thing is physical cover also they have provided for extra layer protection of web camera. It's regarding the privacy purpose, and it's very easy to use also. Just simply plug and play the video calls. Another thing, they have given a dual far field mics for extra clear audio guys. Okay, it's just supporting up to 4 meters. You will get a clear audio. Here you can see capability with 100 TV computers and laptops. Okay, these are the general thing. What they have given inside is one webcam, USB cable and user manual guide. Okay, now it's time to open up this box. We need to add the sticker. Oh, it's very tight. Okay, that's very hard to okay, finally we have tagged it up. Now it's time to open it up. Here first we can take this user manual guide, given how to place it in your Me TV. Is the user manual guide, one USB cable webcam and one user manual, 2 MB camera, built-in mic. Okay, let's keep it aside. And next thing is they have given the cable for connecting a camera to your Me TV. Okay, type C camera cable to your Me TV. And it's time to take the web camera. Here you can see, here is the web camera, guys. Let's open it up. Let's see how is it. Wow, very superb camera. Here you can see it's a magnetic type camera. Here you can see, here's the Xiaomi Mi TV web camera, guys. Here's the extra layer protection for privacy purpose. If a camera is not in use, means you can close it up by using the slider. Okay, it's good. And here you can see they have provided a magnet by which, like this, you need to place in your TV. But I think it will support only for Me TV, because in Me TV only, I think so, they are providing a metal on the top of the TV, because for some TVs they are not providing a metal on the top of the TV. Okay, let's see. Anyway, I have purchased it, and here is the camera, guys. Me TV camera. How is it, guys? Just tell your comments in the below comment section. Okay, we can do more videos regarding this MI TV webcam by using in our Me TV, just by doing the video calls. And okay guys, it's just a small unboxing video of regarding the Xiaomi Mi TV camera. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thus we can make more videos by using this camera in our Mi TV. And okay guys, see you in next video. Bye.